So you don't have to use the same thing to me. So I already got my shampoo. So I'm going to pour it in here. There we go. And you need toilet paper. And then you'll just do this to it, but not the whole thing. Make sure you don't do the whole thing so you can do extras. We're going to leave that for right now. We're just going to mix right now. Guys, it's going to turn out good, don't worry. I added too much of it. I did add too much, but now I can add some more toilet paper to mix it up. The shampoo gives it dye, and then the Dove gives it some scent. Not the Dove, I mean, talk about like an Ariel. But then your body wash gives it like a smell. Make sure this is good. And then you add a little bit more shampoo to your, because it will look like a little thing. So let me grab my shampoo. So I'm just adding a little bit more shampoo. So I'll just mix this. It smells good. I'm just gonna finish this part up. It don't matter if you use soap, just any type of soap, body wash, except for like the bar. So now I'm gonna keep mixing to get like a good dye in. Making sure it's good. Alright, now I'm done mixing. Since I'm done mixing, so now I'm just going to keep mixing. Sorry guys, I was just looking at something that scared me. I was like, what? So I'm just gonna keep on mixing. And now I gotta make sure I get this off. Y'all gotta follow my rules, but not my rules. But this is how you mix slime. So when you keep on mixing for a little bit too much, then you will get your body wash. You're gonna pour some of your body wash. Not too much of your body wash, because if you put too much, then it will get too much smell, and it will be too slippery. So don't put too much. It's too sticky now, so what we're gonna do is get some more toilet paper. Now I got my toilet paper, so now let's just do this. Better put that here. So I'm gonna mix some more. Just keep mixing and keep on mixing. And just scoop that out of there. I'm just gonna add a lot. Just add a lot of this so it can make a texture like this. because then the texture is gonna be like a little bit of clay. But don't worry, guys, it's still gonna be slime. You can treat it like slime, but it's not gonna be stretchable. So then I'm finishing putting this in. See that texture? So I'm just gonna mix. Just keep on mixing. We're almost done mixing into the fun part. Cause see, you can put prints in it like slime, but it's not gonna do it no more because I don't have the thing no more. Keep on mixing. Keep on mixing. And then just mixing. And guys, today I'm getting my nails done, so I'm gonna take y'all with me today, and yeah. So alright guys, we're done mixing. Keep on mixing. It smells good. Alright guys, if you have a freezer at home, make sure you scoop all of this to right here. To 30 to 40 minutes. 30 to 40 minutes. So you can do it at I put mine at 39 and then it went to 40. So like for minutes it went to 40 minutes. So put your slime clay in for 30 or 40 minutes. You can put it at 30 or 40 minutes. And yeah. So you're gonna put it in the freezer. Don't leave it in there for no 30 hours. No hours. Some minutes. So this is it right here. And then I'll get you back when it's out the freezer.
A few moments later.
Well, time is ticking. I'm gonna tell y'all, this is the slime I made yesterday. And I added some color to it, but it's blue. It's blue. It's like a greenish blue, and I love it. Shout out to the TikTokers that make toilet paper slime, because I love toilet paper slime. But it's my first time making it. But now I like it because I never knew that you could make this into clay. Like, I thought it never worked because I tried a bunch of times, but it never worked. So this time I say trust the process. And then this is what I got. But she literally said that it was like a slime, I don't know if they added glue or whatever, but I still like this. It's fine. You can still do prints like slime, like this. I'm gonna add this one too. Here. Never mind, but I don't know if it's gonna mess it up. So while it's in the freezer, I'm going to just put it on my phone until it's done. 30 minutes. 30 to 40 minutes, guys. I'll get you back. Alright, guys, we're back. So this is after the thing. So you're just gonna scoop it up. Try your best to scoop it up after the freezer for 30 minutes. Just scoop all you can from the bottom, like this. So it can but if there's no more to scoop, just push this one to the end, and then you can just scoop this to the thing like right here, and then do this. Make sure you get all of the excess from the spoon, whatever you're using. Make sure you get all the thing up. And now you're gonna take your hands. Make sure your hands don't have nothing on it. You're just gonna do this until it gets hard. Don't worry, guys. It's okay if you add toilet paper because it makes it less sticky. So I'm adding more toilet paper because it's a little bit too sticky. So I'm making sure it's not too sticky for me. So it's okay if you add some more, it's fine. Because the more toilet paper you get, the more slime you get. It's how big the slime is. Gotta make sure it's mixed in there. So it won't be like... This is how my other one turned out. It turned out pretty good, right? It turned out dry. So this time I'm going to make it like a little bit like slime, but not too sticky. I'm getting my nails done today. I think I already told y'all. But I'm taking y'all with me again. But I didn't get my nails done yet. But yeah, I'm going to take y'all with me. It's gonna be my first time recording and getting my nails done, but so guys, I just be straight going to videos. I just like be watching my videos. I watched my video yesterday. Literally yesterday. My new video I made. I think all of y'all saw it. I hope y'all did. But it's gonna be messy. Just I'm not gonna eat it because it's dangerous. Make sure you keep these away from your little kids because I don't know if they could eat it. They can't eat this type of stuff because it's bad. They're not supposed to eat this. Because I don't know what chemicals are in the shampoo. I don't know what chemicals are in the body wash. So make sure you lay this, like smooth this out, but not too smooth. Like flatten it so you can get more toilet paper so it can be like soft. And then you're gonna put it in the middle, like that, like this, like a little eye. I think that was too close, but then you're gonna put some over it and start folding your thing. You're gonna pick this thing up, and then you're gonna start mixing. You're going to start mixing, because this creates a soft texture of the little dough you're making, or slime, whatever you want to do. Alright, so keep on mixing. Keep on mixing. Keep on mixing. So guys, I'm just gonna keep on mixing. I'll probably have to put it in the refrigerator for some more because of the short time. The 30 minutes wasn't enough time for the freezer. So, because I put it on ice. I'm gonna put it back in the bowl and try to mix it some more. My hand is missing. I'm trying to make my best. Okay, it's getting good. But I gotta wait until it dries. Just keep doing this. It's gonna help it dry out some more. But if you have wet hand, it's not gonna work. Because then it's gonna turn soapy and then, see that? It turned soft. It happened with my other one. But my hand wasn't wet. my hand got messy with the first one I made. This is my second one I'm making. I don't know if this one's gonna turn out good. Because I was supposed to put the tissue first, then the shampoo and the body wash. Pew, pew, pew. Okay, guys. So, I don't know if I have to put in the refrigerator or freezer. So, I'm just keep on mixing. I'm going to do a Grim Rain with me for the first day of school, guys. First day of school is not too far away. It's on the 12th. Yeah, it's on August 12th. So, if y'all go to school on August 12th, comment when I go back. All y'all comment when I go back to school. And, yeah. So, I'm just going to keep mixing. Keep on mixing. I'm gonna keep having the back to school poster, unless y'all want me to change it. It's okay if y'all want me to change it, cause I'm going back to school. So like, I'm just gonna keep doing back to school until it's the first day of school. The first week of school, the 2 weeks of school, so the first week and then the second week, I'm gonna change it. So the first week, I'm gonna keep it. The second week, I'm gonna keep it. And then when it's Saturday, I'm gonna change it. Look at that. See? All I gotta do is just keep rolling it like this. Cause it softens the texture. So, yeah. Just gonna keep doing this. Look at that. I'm gonna put it in the freezer for some more, but don't put it in the freezer for too long. But if you want to put it in the freezer, that's okay. But guys, I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.